If you've been seeing Blake & Weston online, you might be wondering one thing. Is Blake & Weston actually legit? Or is it just another scam? So, I decided to take a closer look. Blake & Weston is an online fashion store selling clothes, shoes, and everyday accessories. The website looks professional, and honestly, the prices can look pretty tempting. But there are a few things that caught my attention. First, the website is very new. Its domain was registered in May 2026. That doesn't automatically mean it's a scam, but it does mean you should be careful with your purchase. There are also customer reviews online, and the feedback is mixed. Some customers say their orders arrived as expected. They liked the styles, fit, and pricing. But there are also negative reviews. One recent customer complained about the product quality and the return process. They claimed they were asked to return the item to China, despite the site presenting itself as Blake & Weston, New York. That is probably the biggest red flag for me. Scam Advisor currently says the website is probably not a scam. It also has valid SSL and payment methods that may offer buyer protection. However, Scam Advisor also points out that the site is very young and has low traffic. So, is Blake & Weston legit? I wouldn't call it an obvious scam based on what I found, but I also wouldn't blindly trust it. If you decide to order, start small. Check the return policy carefully, and use a payment method that gives you some protection. For me, Blake & Weston gets a cautious proceed with care. It may be legit, but there are still enough warning signs to make me think twice before spending a lot of money.